Alright, welcome back to our station. I'm Timothy Ribb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the cutouts that you made on the scroll saw for your crossbow, and I'm going to show you how to gussy those up. That means make them look nicer. Now this one right here, I'm going to say looks a little bit nicer than it did in the last video. It's all about adding fillets so that when it's in your hand, this feels a lot more comfortable. Check out these next scenes. Alright, so I am now 11 minutes in, and as you can see, I have some shape to the crossbow that I'm currently making. But the issue is not really an issue, but you might see it as an issue. We've got some, could you call it scarring maybe? Some rough spots. Here's how I'm gonna fix that. So basically all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the tooth size. Actually, I'll start over here. I'm gonna switch the tooth size of the wood rasp that I've been using. So this guy's got big teeth, and I honestly don't know what it's called. It's a Nicholson, made in Brazil. It doesn't tell me an actual tooth size. But I'm switching over to this guy. I bought this guy a long time ago online. I don't even know what this brand is, MIT. Yeah, it's got smaller teeth, and I'm just gonna go around and smooth this out a bit. Right, so I feel like I have done it. I feel like I've done a really nice job. I'm happy with the shape that this is. And if we're looking at it now, you can compare and you can see that it is quite a bit smoother in a lot of places. It's not finished, of course. Next step is I'm gonna sand it. I feel like that is looking pretty good. Now if you look at what I was able to do, here is the finished body to my crossbow, and I'm feeling good about how it looks. I used 80 grit sandpaper for that, and that's actually as far as I'm gonna go for a children's toy. So next up is take your crossbow, get yourself a clothespin, wood glue down on the bottom. it's gonna be hold for 5 minutes, rest for 45. And then 45 minutes later, when the glue is dry and you can't break it off, then ladies and gentlemen, you've got a finished body. Next video, it's all about how to make that cross piece, getting dowels in, cutting the pieces. And for that, you should watch this video. Wait, this video.